Hey everyone, I'm going to go over section 16-5, and I do have my 6-month-old here, so if you hear some baby noises, or weird noises, it's from her. So, this section is just about preparing your post-closing trial balance. I have your work together here, what it will look like, so you can still do it if you want to, but I'm not going to make a spot on Teams for it, just because it's pretty short, so you can still do it and check it with this if you want to, because it's right here. So the post-closing trial balance is something that you make after you have posted your closing entries. So hence the name post-closing trial balance. When you have posted all of your closing entries, the only thing you should have left with an account balance will be your assets, your liabilities, and then your capital stock and retained earnings. All of those temporary accounts are closed, so they have a zero balance. We still have them, like we didn't get rid of them, like the account themselves. We just got them back down to zero for the next fiscal period. So on December 31st, you will make this, and the purpose of this is to also show that our debits and credits still equal, because they always have to equal. You will prepare your heading first. You'll put the company name, the title of the report we are making, which is the post-closing trial balance, and then the date, December 31st, 2020. Now, what you will do is you will list all the account titles and their balances in either the debit or the credit column, only the ones that have balances, and then you will write totals at the end. You will single rule, and when they equal, you will double rule. The hardest thing about this will be on the work together and application problems. They just give you the balances and you need to put them in the debit or the credit column. So that's going to be something like we did in chapter 3. We've been talking about some of this. But your asset accounts are the ones that are debits on here. Every single debit that's listed on here is an asset. That allowance for uncollectible accounts is a contra account to accounts receivable. And then your accounts payable, sales tax payable, and then your capital stock and retained earnings, those are all credits. On your application problem, on the assignment, I give you the total that it should be, so that way you know if it is correct or not. Then double rule, don't forget to do that. Try to make them straight. I'm sure there's something straight at home you can grab to draw a single line with. And then that's it for this week. Also, your study guide is also due this week as well, though, so don't forget to do that. But short application problem and study guide. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll try to get back to you quickly. Thanks.